Here's some star sand from Okinawa in Japan, which a friend of mine who lives in Japan sent me. I've never heard of this stuff before. I did collect a little bit of sand as a child, Alum Bay and the Isle of Wight coloured sand, but this stuff here is reckoned to be the Rolls Royce of the sand world, because these grains of sand are actually the shells left of tiny little star-shaped fishes or sea creatures. Extraordinary. There's only about 3 or 4 beaches in the whole of the wider Mediterranean that has this formation as well. Extraordinary stuff. They put a few seashells in there to make it look good. If you magnify it though, and they show this on various internets, you'll see clearly the structure of the thing. Here's the beach at Okinawa, and here's what they look like when they're magnified under a strong magnifying glass. Perfect little stars, the skeletals of these sea creatures. And they look like grains of sand at an ordinary sight, but when you magnify them, that's what they look like. And slightly more magnification here. The star sand of Okinawa, it's a dream for every sand collector to find.